Now we are starting question number 2 of this mechanics paper. A particle is projected vertically upward from a horizontal ground. The speed of the particle 2 seconds after it is projected is 5 meters per second and it is traveling downward. Find the speed of the particle. B part. Find the distance traveled by the particle when the 2 times at which the speed is 10 meters per second. So this is a particle which is being projected from the ground level. So its speed is unknown, which is u meters per second. And after 2 seconds, its speed is 5 meter per second. We are going to calculate the value of u there, which is the initial speed of that particle there. Since we know that it will make a turning point at this position, so here the velocity of that particle is equal to 0. Now we know one thing, that its final velocity is 0 and it is coming downward to that. So for this particle at this point A, the initial speed of that particle is also equal to 0 there. But it is at the highest point there. We are going to find out this u there. So after at 2 seconds, its speed is what? 5 meters per second. We know from this equation there, let's say we have to calculate this time t1 for that part there. We know that from the equation of motion, v is equal to u plus gt, where v is equal to 5, u is 0 there, because it is coming downward, so g is 10 and the time t1 is there. So t1 is equal to 5 over 10, or that is equal to 0.5 seconds. So this time is 0.5 seconds. So from this to this point, so this time will become, from subtracting from 2 there, so this time t1 is 1.5 seconds. Now, you know the initial speed of that particle is u there, which is unknown, v there, that is 0 there, and the total time taken here up till this part is 1.5 seconds. So we again use this v is equal to u plus gt, where v is 0 there, u we don't know, g is minus 10 into time is 1.5. So u is equal to 15 meter per second. So this is the speed of the particle due to which it is going to project it from this ground there. The second part of this, we are going to calculate the total time taken when the speed is 10 meters per second. Let's say at this position, this speed is 10 meters per second, and at this point its speed is 10 meters per second. Let's say we mark this position as B, we mark this position as C there. And we are going to calculate the time taken from B to A and A to C there. Since we know that from B to C, B to A, at B position, its initial speed is 10 meters per second. And at final speed at A is equal to 0. We know that V is equal to, from this equation, V square minus U square is equal to 2gs. So V square is equal to U square plus 2gs. V is 0 there. U there is 10 square plus 2. G is minus 10 because it is moving upward into S there. So S is basically equal to 100 over 20, and that thing is equal to, let's say, S1, that is 5 meter from B to A there. Then from A to C, our at this position U is 0 there, V is 10 meters per second, and we will calculate the same equation. V square minus U square is equal to 2gs. V square is equal to 10 square is minus 0 square is equal to 2, because coming downwards, so G will be taken positive there, into S. So that is 100 is equal to 20S, or S is equal to 5 meter. Let's say that is S is S2 there. So the total time taken from 10 to 10, total time is equal to B to C plus B to A, and then from A to C. So B to A timing is there 5. The total distance traveled there is 5 meters. And from A to C, the total distance traveled there is 5 meters. So it is 10 meter is the total time taken from this to this part in terms of distance. So S is denoting the distance there. So S is equal to 5 plus 5. So S is equal to 10 meter. It has traveled in between the timings of this part, where the speed is 10 to 10 there.